I was able to save 1 year's worth of living expenses by following these 6 principles that I'm about to share. Now, I know saving can be challenging, especially during times of high inflation, but by the end of this video, these strategies will help you save no matter your savings goal, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year's worth of living expenses like me. Now, as we go along, I want you to remember 2 things. Several little costs adds up to be big costs. Several little savings adds up to be big savings. Now, I'm not sure if you've ever noticed this, but whenever you go food shopping at the grocery store, right at the entrance or as you walk down the aisle, there's usually these stickers, these for sale stickers, right strategically placed at eye level, so your eyes are automatically drawn in. Now, it doesn't matter if you did not come into the store for that item, or you may not even need that item. Your brain still spends a couple of seconds thinking about that item, and then you may move closer to get a better look, and again you spend more time thinking about that item. Should I not? It's such a great deal. Listen, don't fall for it. Before I went food shopping, I would make a list of what I need. Then I would go online. Most grocery stores post their prices online, so I can get an estimate of what it's going to cost me to get what I need. So let's say it was going to cost me $100 to get what I need. I would take that $100 cash with me to the grocery store along with my phone. Most phones have a calculator. So whenever I would add an item to my cart, I would subtract that from my $100 in the calculator. And I would be very careful because $100 was all that I had, and I did not want to be embarrassed at the cash register. So what this does, it prevents impulse buying. Impulse purchases can really blow your budget. If you feel tempted to purchase something that you did not initially intend to purchase, just maybe give it a minute, walk away, continue doing your shopping, and oftentimes you'll forget about it or realize that's something that you really did not need. And this tactic works not just in the grocery stores, but the department stores or wherever else you do your shopping. Now, eating out can be extremely expensive, even fast food. So rarely did I ever spend money eating out. If I did, that money came from my food budget. For example, if I went grocery shopping and everything that I needed was on sale and I saved $10, well, that $10 was my eating out money. Most of the times I spend more time cooking at home and packing lunches for work, and this saved me a significantly amount of money. I focused on paying off debts like loans and credit card balances, and I targeted the credit cards with the highest interest rate first, and once that was gone, I had way more money to save, and before you knew it, I had 3 months worth of living expenses saved and 6 months, and then I looked at my bank account and I was like, whoa, let's see how much more you can do. Before you knew it, I had 1 year's worth of living expenses saved. And as I had mentioned earlier, these strategies can be applied to whatever goal you have, whether it's 3 months or 6 months. Now listen, I hope you're learning something from this video. If you are, be sure to subscribe for more money saving tips. Now, many people fail to include a miscellaneous expense category in their budget. Expenses such as pet supplies need to be identified in your budget so that you could account for every dollar so that you could cut costs wherever possible. For example, I used to get those Sonic slushy drinks often. Do you have a Sonic restaurant where you live? If you do, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. But anyway, my favorite flavor was the strawberry limeade. Let me know what is your favorite flavor in the comments below. Anyway, that's a cost that could add up quickly. Remember, several small costs adds up to big costs, so I needed to account for that. Now, any unexpected income that came in, such as bonuses from work, tax refund, birthday money, they all went straight towards savings. Now, I would admit sometimes it was tempting to splurge on myself, but I had to switch my mindset and focus on my goal, and this allowed me to save even faster. Remember, several little savings add up to big savings. Saving and budgeting can be challenging. You may slip up from time to time until you develop a system that works for you. The key is to hold yourself accountable and give yourself grace. If you do slip up, acknowledge your slip up and then learn from them and keep pushing forward until you reach your savings goals. Persistence is what will keep you on track in the long run. Your hard work will pay off, but you also want to make sure that you avoid certain money mistakes. So what are these money mistakes, you may ask? Well, on the on-screen video, I share some money mistakes that you need to avoid. So make sure that you click on that video and I'll see you there.